Hello, welcome back to the channel. In the night we're in the local woods. Going to try something a bit different. I'm going to try out hammock camping. So you have to watch and see how we get on. I've done the tent, I've done the bivvy, and now we'll try a hammock. So we're just making my way through now. It's 6:05, so still plenty of time before it gets dark. And yeah, we'll make camp, get some food on the go and have a few drinks. Right, so I've just put my ridge line up there, and there's the toggles that are going to hold the top. It's quite easy. This is the spot for the night. Right, there we go, all set up. There's me lightweight chair that's not very lightweight. You've probably seen on the me review video. There's a couple of drinks for later. And here's my camp. There's the tarp that I normally use. And Harry's very kindly brought a hammock for us to try tonight. To be honest, if I was going to buy the hammock, I would get a bigger tarp. I'll show you in a minute how he's set up. I'm very impressed how easy it is to put up a hammock. These clips and such likes. Very simple. And there's Harry's, look. He's got a 3x3 DD top. And that extra bit of square meterage makes a hell of a difference. So yeah, there's my bait, my sausages and my baguettes and a couple of beers. There you go, I've got my Alp kit, sky high seating bag, a thermarest mattress under there and my seat summit pillow. So there you go, that's what camp for the night. So we're just going to chill, have a couple of beers and get some food and see what happens. There you go, there's the tea on, sixers and sausages. Well, it's about 10 o'clock. I've had a good night, having a good bit of crack. The temperature's starting to drop now. It's not a breath of wind. It's crystal clear night. You can just see the stars above the tree line there. So there's my bed. And my sausages and my beers, very nice. So I think we'll get some kip. We'll see you in the morning. That's it, morning. Here we are. Morning time in the woodland. It is 7:24. All in all, had a good night's sleep. Woke up a couple of times. I was just telling Harry there, I think with me ridgeline not being perfectly level, I sat with my head that side of the hammock and my feet at that end. And I'd sort of wiggled my way down during the night. So probably, maybe if it was a bit more level, that wouldn't have happened. But Harry had the same thing, but he turned round and set up his feet at this end and head at that end, and then that didn't happen. So that's probably something I need to think about next time. But apart from that, all good. I've just got my little stove going there to get me coffee. A beautiful morning. Didn't do too much footage last night, obviously, because I had to keep the torches dim, even though we're in the middle of nowhere. We're still stealth camping, you know. And plus the fact it was more just about me and Harry getting out and having some good crack. It was a really good night. Had a good catch up. And yeah, right, I'm gonna have my coffee and then I might do a bit of videoing when we've got packed up and that. So there you go, we're all packed up. That's where we were last night. That's them two trees. No mess, no trace, where it should be. No one will ever know we've been there. So just have a slow wander back through the woods. And you can see that there, the giant ant hill. Couple of birds squawking. A lot of deadfall wood around here of all the different storms we've had the last few years. But aye, good night out. Definitely do it again.